Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Hopefully all of you are fine and safe at your home. My dear students, today we are going to do exercise of unit number 4. But here is a page number 42 in front of you. Please open your textbook page number 42 and keep your accessories with you. Question number 1 is find out the words from the poem which have the same meaning as in column A and write them in column B. Some words are given in column A and there are specific words which are used in the text for them. You will write them in column B. Makes repeated sharp sounds, clatters, rushes forth, gushes, as hot as fire, fiery, the hard part of the feet of horses, hooves. Question number B. Consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. You will use your thesaurus dictionary and write the synonyms in given space. Lane, track, path, passage, swift, fast, quick, speedy, muddy, boggy, marshy, miry, narrow, thin, not wide, limited. Come on next page number 43, reading for comprehension. You will go towards the text and find out the answers of these questions and solve it by yourself. Next is fill in the blanks to complete the following stanza. Blanks are given here. You will fill these blanks with suitable words. How it clatters along the roof like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Next is articles. There are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite article is the and indefinite articles are a and an. A and an are indefinite articles and these are used with the things that are in general. Okay, and the is used with the special things, with specific things. There are 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and remaining 21 are called consonants. With consonant we use a and with vowels we use an, and with the specific things, with special things we use the. Here use of consonant and vowels is given here. Book, chair, table, man. These are the first letter is consonant. So with consonants we use a book, a chair, a table, a man. With vowel sounds we use an apple, an eye, an ox, an aunt. Special use a before vowel sounding like as y u w a. अगर कोई चीज़ य साउंड दे रही है, जैसे यूनियन है, आप देखेंगे, आप यहाँ पे कहेंगे यू जो है वो तो वाउल है, लेकिन इसमें साउंड जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट की आ रही है, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे ए यूज़ करेंगे, आ यूनियन, आ यूज़फुल. एंड बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड एज वाउल. और कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे हैं वो उनका जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो कॉन्सोनेंट है लेकिन उसकी साउंड वाउल की आ रही है, तो हम वहाँ पे एन यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक एन आर एन एम में. The is definite article because it normally points out some particular person or thing. ठीक है, किसी स्पेशल थिंग्स के साथ हम the को यूज़ करते हैं. He saw the teacher meaning some particular teacher. इसने किसी स्पेशल टीचर को, पर्टिकुलर टीचर को देखा. The definite nouns and uncountable nouns, for example, the box, the boxes, the milk, etc. are preceded by the. Fill in the blanks using indefinite articles a or an. Birds of a feather flock together. Bilal is a businessman. Ali is an engineer. An old man came to our home. She seems to an English. An ounce is enough. Rabia is a university student. Come on next page. Complete the following sentences by filling in a or an or the as may be suitable. Gold is a precious metal. Do you see the blue sky? She returned after an hour. The sun shines brightly. Makkah is the holy city. Let us discuss the matter seriously. Who is the boy sitting there? Pronounce the following words laying the stress at the proper syllable. Present, present, contract, contract, object, object, आप ये देखें, कुछ में आप स्टार्टिंग में लेटर्स पे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया और किसी में एंड वाले पे, तो वो आपने नाउन में उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट है और वर्ब में उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ी डिफरेंट है। नेक्स्ट रेनफॉल पैराग्राफ है बेटा, इसको हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, look at the picture and write short paragraph. Look at the picture, what is happening, it is rainfall, what the children are doing. So you will write paragraph about it. Write the summary of the poem, use the following words, but you will use these words and you will write summary of the poem on your notebook. Next is oral communication skills. There is a paragraph, but you will do practice with your friends, with your siblings for your oral communication skills. Next is beta glossary. Practice this dialogue in pairs. You will do practice of the dialogue in pairs with your friends. You can do practice and with your siblings. Next is glossary, beta. You will write the meanings of these words and you will underline the single synonym of these words. As you can see, I have already underlined, so you will underline the single meaning of these words. But this is all about today. If you have any question, you may ask from me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.